Hey, before I get started on this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Even if you haven't watched the video yet, go ahead and hit it anyway. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It's not a big deal. It kind of helps my algorithms or whatever it's called, right? So subscribe to my channel. And look, if you have a comment, please leave something to say, a comment or whatever, please leave it below. If you think this video sucks and I'm an idiot, it's okay to say that. That's just fine. You might be right about that. If you like the video, let me know that. And if you want to see more like it, or you want to see less like it, or you got something else you would like me to talk about, just put it in the comments below. So here we go. I'm going to take a look at what I got for you today. It's pretty interesting, if nothing else. I guarantee you. Here we go. Tommy Gibbs, thanks for taking time to watch this video. I got a problem I want to talk to you about, and I hope maybe my problem is your problem, or maybe it's a problem with someone else. Maybe you can be helpful. I don't know about you, but I've run into a lot of people lately that all they want to do is talk. It's like they have diarrhea of the mouth. I've run into it in a number of different ways, like just in a social setting, a cocktail party, strike up a conversation. And on my word, it goes on and on and on. Or it's one most recent was at a funeral, on an airplane. These are just conversations. I was sitting at a bar having dinner recently, and the guy starts talking to me, right? I mean, I like engaging people, so I'm part at fault here. But it seems like most of the people I'm engaging, they truly have diarrhea of the mouth, and you don't know when to shut up. I mean, the theme in this video is, shut up, have a conversation. I mean, that's the kind of the theme I'm trying to build upon here. And so many people are just not aware that it's not a conversation, it's a talk station or something like that. All they do is talk. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. I will often, and I'm embarrassed to tell you this, but I will interrupt people because they've just gone on and on and on and on. Really not saying anything. Sometimes they're just repeating the same mess they've been talking about. I'll interrupt them in hopes that by interrupting them and changing the subject, we can now start to have a conversation. But what they do is, whatever subject I brought up, idiot me, whatever subject I brought up, they just go on and on and on and on again. And it's like they're on a railroad track, and it's an endless railroad track, and the steam engines are cranking, and they don't know how to have a conversation. They don't breathe. Look, all of us could do better at that probably. If you're having a conversation, look for an opportunity to take a breath and let the other person in. It's not a conversation when information is just going one way. I mean, people, for whatever reason, just aren't aware. And maybe they have some weird social issues. But for me, it's almost like I have tattooed on my head, hey, this chump will listen to you. So just start talking to this chump right here. Chump is across my head, I think. Just start talking to this chump here, and you can have a lot of fun just hearing yourself talk. It's like people talk, they hear the balls rattle or something. It just goes on. I mean, I see this in workshops. I see it in Zoom meetings where the person that's conducting the meeting or the workshop, they just go on and on and on. They have no skill at all when it comes to drawing the other people in. I mean, isn't it better when you put information out than you receive information? You digest that and you put some more information out. Isn't that a better conversation than just talking like you're just, I don't know. It's really frustrating. But I wanted to share that with you because, sometimes that person is us and we don't realize it. I know sometimes when I've been teaching something, I'll say something like, you may not think this applies to you, but just for this one moment, think it applies to you. So maybe just for this one moment, think about if it applies to you and how much of a better conversationalist you could be if you would just shut up and breathe and listen. Shut the hell up. Hey, thanks and have a great day. See you. Bye.